How you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Pretty awesome.
Okay, so we're a little delinquent in painting out our Quinacridone Red Gold. So you've already gotten on to dispersing ultramarine violet, but
Actually, I'm doing 3 ultramarine violets.
I know, it's pretty
cool,
exciting.
yeah.
Okay,
But
but we
look
do
at
have to
that,
paint
though.
out the Quinacridone Red Gold. We got all caught up in the sale, the summer sale, which was, so here's the Quinacridone Red Gold dried version.
Pigment Orange 48.
We used this for the summer sale because it was like fiery and cool, but we're gonna paint out the wet version right now.
Okay.
So this stuff, Pigment Orange 48, totally extinct. We don't have a heck of a lot of it, so we're only doing the 1 ounce size.
Enough to do 5 gallons. Which
Yeah,
is,
it's cool. It'll be
that's
around a
good.
long time.
It's all 1 ounce.
Yeah. So here we are. We're going to paint it out in the Urethane 32, which is because it's crystal clear when it's wet, right?
Yep.
And that's what this is.
Yep.
So I put some on my little deli pint palette over here. Going to shake up my dispersion. Quinacridones are, of course, very transparent. And this is a pigment concentrate, so I don't need to use very much. Build a dot. Woo! Look at that color explode.
All those quinacridones are super strong.
What do you think? Should I add a little bit more?
I don't think so, but it's really strong.
All right, we'll start with this, and then we'll decide if we want to
Well, it's always fun.
oversaturate.
It's always fun to add more color if you can, and we
That's
can.
right,
So.
and we can, yeah. So why not?
Hey,
Hey. All right, so here we go.
okay.
Let's do a
So
stroke with this.
This is your Quinacridone Red Gold, made by E.I. DuPont, Nemours, and really probably in the late 50s.
Okay, now let's add a little more. What the heck?
Okay. Well, it is a beautiful transparent color. Lovely transparency.
Very, very lovely, and very kind of to the red.
Quite to the red.
Quite to the red. So
And
it'll be
actually,
interesting to compare this side by side with the straight Quinacridone Gold.
Yeah, you now have much more of a mass tone, so you can see the real darkness. And that is very red. I mean, all the Quinacridone Golds are great. We have the deep, the regular, and then
Right.
the red. So, and actually, also Quinacridone Russet and Quinacridone Orange. That's all in the same. They're all in the same color.
Ooh.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
We have most, if not all, of those Quinacridone Golds.
Yeah, and big sizes in the Quinacridone
tons.
Gold, yeah.
Yeah, I have
And
lots.
the deep we have in all the sizes too, right?
Oh, yeah, I have
And the
a
Quin Russet,
really good amount of all those.
yeah.
And
So
not
they'll
running
be
out of
around
that.
for our lifetime,
Oh, totally.
if not other people's lifetimes beyond us.
Yeah.
All right, well, there we go. We'll let that dry.
Okay, beautiful.
But yeah, we wanted to show y'all a paint out of
Quin Red
this,
Gold.
of
And there it
Quinacridone Red
is.
Gold.
And there it is, totally dried out. And
Yeah.
that is a beautiful color.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, thank you.
All right, well, have a great day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.